Cook a couple meal on my plate. Let's eat. I'm investing in real estate. I just went and gave my mama 100. Probably won't hear me open my mouth, bless you hear me talking about finance.
Hey, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be me doing a pigmentation test on a new Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette from Morphe. Y'all know Morphe is like my favorite brand, but I definitely wanted to try this out because I heard some mixed reviews about Jaclyn Hill's other palettes, like the Vaults. And I just wanted to try it out. And these colors also grabbed my attention. Like, as soon as I saw it, I was like, okay, I know I gotta get that one. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with using this palette. Hopefully after this video you guys will be able to determine if you want this palette or not. My eyelid is already primed. I used the Millennium concealer. That's just a concealer I've been grabbing lately. It works really good for a eyeshadow base. But I'm gonna take an E17 from Morphe, and I'm dipping right into the shade No Joke, which is this yellow right here. So that's how that's looking. I'm gonna grab an M506 and I'm taking the color Feeling Myself, which is this one right here, and I'm blending that right into the yellow. And y'all see how flawlessly that blends, y'all. I am so in love already. Now I'm grabbing the shade Homeboy, and I am going to blend that into the orange. I'm using the same M506. So I was watching Nikki's video, Nikki's tutorial, and she was talking about like the fallout, and the palette does have a not too much fallout. Let me show y'all the color I just dipped in. That's how much fallout I got from that color. But I realized that the palettes that have the most fallout are the most pigmented. Just like the Anastasia palettes, like their palettes have a lot of fallout, but they are the most pigmented palettes. I mean, I feel like I can pretty much get the pigment out of any palette, but sometimes it takes me to pick up more color to get that pigmentation. But with like Anastasia and this palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, yeah, it don't even take that much. So right beside that, I'm going to take the shade Oh Hello on another M506. I hate straps, y'all. I don't know why, but I don't know. I just don't like them. I'm taking the shade Oh Hello, which is this really cute burgundy. That's definitely not it. It's this one. Okay, yeah, so this one. Is that not the one? Okay, anyway, I'm taking this color right here, and I am packing that. Of course, I'm just gonna continue on with my little ombre effect I got going on. But now I'm going to grab a little bit of Love Handles, and I'm going to use that to blend this burgundy shade out. So it's not really blended how I would usually blend it, but that's because I'm going to add some more color. Y'all, I'm really hopping all over this palette at this point. I'm adding some of Crazy, which is this color here, and I'm applying that one with the E17. I'm gonna grab a little bit of Oh Hello, which was the first plum color that we placed down. I'm actually gonna use that to blend this one out instead. I'm taking the shade Temptress, which is the black out of this palette. I'm gonna be applying that in the outer part of my crease using the M330. I'm using a bigger brush because I don't want to focus the black so much in one area. I kind of want to just lightly put it on here, kind of all over the outer corner of my lid, if that makes sense. And it just creates like a really deep plum purplish color. I'm taking the shade Talia. I'm gonna place that on my lid. I'm gonna use a brush. I tried on this eye and the brush wasn't really working, but I'm gonna try it again. I ended up having to use my finger. I really broke my mirror, y'all. My little mirror I've been using this whole time. Yeah, so that's not it. So it's definitely not gonna apply with the brush. I don't even know, like, are these toppers? I didn't even watch Jaclyn Hill's video, so I don't know what she recommended that we use, but this is definitely not really working. So I'm just gonna take my finger and apply it, which is what I had to do on this eye, but I just wanted to try it again on camera so you guys can see. So I'm just gonna be applying this mascara from Sistar Cosmetics. So these lashes I'm using are actually not even available anymore. I feel like I tell you that all the time, but it's because I literally use these in every video. So to finish the eye, I'm taking Therapy Sesh, which is this purple shade right here, and then I took some more of Feeling Myself. I'm using this Anastasia brush. I'm using the smudger end for both shades. I'm gonna smoke those both out underneath my lashes. I'm gonna just take the same mascara. I love it because it has like this little ball at the end, so it's really easy for me to add it to my bottom lashes. I don't know that that's what it's for, but that's definitely what I use it for, and it's very helpful. So I'm using this Golden highlighter from the Korean case. So that is it for this video. The palette gets a good 10 out of 10 for me. I really love it, and if you were considering getting it, I would definitely recommend that you go ahead and pick it up. Like I said, it blends well. Pigmentation is definitely there. The shimmer, however, you do have to use your finger. At least for me, I had to use mine. I think this one might have been a topper. Yeah, I don't even know for real, because I don't really like shimmery eyeshadows like that. But either way, you can definitely still get it to show if you use your fingers. How does that help somebody make up their mind on if they want this palette or not? I would definitely recommend it, especially if you love these colors. But thank you guys again for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, and make sure you are of course subscribed for some more videos, and I will see you in my next one.